Take your time. Take your time. Tall. Good job. Good. Give her a little bit of neck. That's it. That's enough. Slow your seat. Slow your seat. Do it again.
All or just the black?
Just the black. Remember to calm your seat. You can post the canter. You can sit. Just be right in between. Keep your body. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Again?
Yeah. The lovely jump. Okay, I just want you to carry your hands and see if you can't keep it the same. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep it the same. There. Good job. Get your lead change. Get tall. That's it. And let her go forward to walk.